Okay, let us do our example 164. Integral 0 to 2, integral 0 to 4, x plus 1, dy dx. Okay, so what is the value of this integral? So inner integral is dy. Therefore, if dy is the inner integral, treat all the other unknowns as constant. This is not variable. This is constant. It is unknown, but that is not a variable, right? Because we are only dealing with dy right now. Okay? So, what will happen? So, let us integrate that with respect to y. Therefore, x plus 1 y. Okay? Because all of these are constant. Okay? When we are integrating dy. So, from what? 0 to 4. Then after evaluating that, we can now integrate it with respect to x. Okay? So, therefore, if we substitute 0, this will become 0. Substitute 4, therefore, will become 4. We can take out the 4 because that is constant from 0 to 2. What? X plus 1 dx. Okay? And therefore, we can integrate that by one by one. Integral of x squared over 2. Integral of 1, x from 0 to 2. So substitute those values. If you substitute 2, which is the lower limit, this will become 0, 0. Substitute 2 squared over 2, that is 2. Then 2 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So therefore, we have what? 16. Okay. So next problem. Let's go to example 165. Integral 1 to 2 from negative 3 to 4 minus 2x. What? dy dx. Okay. So when you're integrating dy dx, we first integrate with respect to y. And therefore, since there is no function, if there is no function, that means 1. The function is 1. If there are none, okay? Function is 1. So therefore, we can immediately integrate it because the function is 1. What is the integral of 1? The variable itself, which is y. So therefore, we can write it down as y from negative 3 to 4 minus 2x. Right now, we have what? Upper limit, which is what? A function. It's not a constant. There is a function, no? So it is possible. There's no problem about that. Just integrate properly. Evaluate. Substitute the upper limit. That is 4 minus 2x minus, then substitute the lower limit. That is negative 3. And therefore, you can what? You can simplify. You have to simplify first or not. You can directly integrate. Okay. So again, if you are using the calculator which is allowed by the board exam, you can evaluate this in the calculator. Okay, you can directly evaluate this in the calculator. I am just showing you how to do it manually. Okay. So negative plus. So 7 minus 2x. 7 minus 2x. And then this is dx. So integrate that. That is 7x minus x squared. From what? 1 to 2. So substitute the 2. 7 times 2 minus 2 squared. Minus 7 times 1. Minus minus plus 1. Okay, how much is this? 14 minus 4. Minus 4 minus 7. So this is what? 15 minus 11. This is 4. Okay. Okay, any question? Let's go to the next. 166. Integral from 1/2 to 1. Another from 0 to pi over 2y. I think we already have this. Do you recall that we already have this? Anyway, we can have this. Okay. Inner integration with respect to x. So therefore, we can directly integrate sine xy with respect to x. So that is what? That is 1/2 to 1. Okay? With respect to x, therefore we have a constant y. Y is a constant right now. So that is 1 over y. Okay? Integral of sine, negative cosine. Negative cosine xy. Okay? From what? From 0 to pi over 2y. Then dy. Okay? So, evaluate first before another integration. Okay? So, this is now a variable because now the integration will become with respect to y. So, anyway, let us evaluate first. So, substitute this one. So, 1 over y negative cosine. Substitute to x. No, we have to substitute to x because we integrated with respect to x. Leave y alone. So substitute to x. X is pi over 2y. Okay. Pi over 2y. And then y. Okay. So y will what? Will be cancelled out. Okay. Cancellation. So minus negative. So it will become positive. Cosine. Substitute to x. So 0 times y is 0. Okay? Dy. So 0, cosine 0 is 1. Then 0 is 1. So cosine pi over 2. Pi over 2 because y will cancel out. Pi over 0. So this will become 0. This will become 1. Okay? 1 times 1 over y. 1 over y. So therefore, 1/2 1 of dy over y. Okay? 1 over y, dy. Okay? So, integral of that, very easy. Integral of dy over y is ln y. So, ln y from 1/2 to 1. Okay? Integral of ln y, okay? So, substitute. ln 1 minus ln 1/2. So, this is just like equal to because ln1 is 0, is just equal to ln2. This is the answer. Okay. Okay. So next. Sample 167. Integral 1 to 2, x to 1, x square root of